Here I've got ARCHOS Oxygen 57, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. Then go to the Advanced options and then select Backup. To activate Google Backup, you have to click on this switcher to activate it, and now it's time to add a Google account. So let me click on Account. And now wait a couple of seconds until your device check all info. And it's time to log in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, click on Create Account, but I do have mine, so let me log in with my Gmail. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And click on Next. Here you can come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the above terms, click on I agree. And as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Click on Accept to confirm the selection. And now your data is safe, so you can easily use your device. So this backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Click on OK to finish the whole process. And now you can go back to the standard usage of your phone. And no worries, as your data is protected. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.